Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool product right here. So I was able to actually try this out already, but pretty much what it is a face mask in a way, but this is actually really nice and actually keeps you really warm, for especially for people who go out in the winter season to go snowboarding or skiing that somewhere really cold. So this product is actually really nice, but let me actually open up and show you guys what it looks like and then put it on so you guys can see what it actually looks like. So here is what the product looks like. The material is actually quite nice, and when you actually put it on, it actually feels really nice and really warm. Alright, so now we have the product on and you guys can see that it actually looks really nice. So in a way, it makes you look like a ninja in a way, but you guys can definitely breathe in this and actually feels really nice. It will definitely keep you warm as well, so like it's like a neck warmer in a way to keep you warm, but also keep your head and everything. If you want to, you can actually adjust it to however you want as well, so you don't want to cover your nose, just move it down. So you guys can move it all the way down here as well. So it's actually a really nice product, and I'm actually quite surprised because I bought this on Wish, and when I bought it on Wish, it was for $3 plus $7 shipping, which is around $10, and that's probably the same price range you guys can get on Amazon or a little bit more. The quality of it is actually quite nice. I have to say that it actually keeps you really warm. Probably do like update videos to let you guys know whether or not it's actually still worth it when you guys are going to snowboarding and stuff, because I just got the product and I actually been using it at home to keep my face warm, but I have not actually used it in the cold and the winter area yet. So once I actually go test it out, I actually do an update video to let you guys know whether or not it's actually still worth it. But as of right now, as a first hand perspective, it's actually quite worth it and actually really nice because I'm really warm so far. The thing about this product though is the fact that it's actually windproof, but it's actually not waterproof. So pretty much long story short, as a first hand perspective, I have to say that this product is quite worth it and I do highly recommend getting it. We'll see what happens when I use that product even more to actually fully test it out. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing and testing and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan show of the day, we have